Taking my sweet time, feels right. Living in the moment, yeah. 'Cause I know where I'm going. I'm taking my sweet time. Each time. Sick and tired of seeing people always running in circles, chasing lies that never got them past the surface. Taking my sweet time, each time. I started seeing that the good life has 100 different faces. Talk to my future on a first name basis.
Heading to East Berlin, came across this little dam. It's beautiful here. East Berlin, Pennsylvania. We saw signs passing this last week when we were coming through town here for a sweet potato festival. I'm not sure what that is, but we're gonna check this out in East Berlin, Pennsylvania. Hopefully we can get some food. Check out, I think they got live music. Let's see what's going on up there. Also make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, keep this channel going. Let's get right into it. Well, you can see they got music here, food. This place is awesome. All kinds of different things. It goes way up through here. These old guys here were camping overnight. Star of the day. Sweet potatoes. Check out this sweet potato. At crafts, all kinds of unique stuff in here. Yeah, you can see this place is pretty cool. They got seating. We're gonna try a whoopie pie and some fries. Just a beautiful day here. East Berlin. Sweet potato French fries. Alright, my wife is going to try one of these French fries. And let's see what they taste like.
Very hot.
Are they good though?
Okay, sweet potato whoopie pie. How is it? Is it good? I want to try it.
Beautiful, beautiful blue eyes. Beautiful blue eyes.
My sweet time feels right. Living in the moment, yeah. 'Cause I know where I'm going.
Alright, it's dessert time. We got the sweet potato funnel cake and a sweet potato torte that looks incredible. Let's see what that looks like. Is it good? Kind of like a sweet potato pie, I guess.
Settling on what comes easy takes courage. Don't let haters tell you that it's not worth it.
Alright, here we go. Sweet potato funnel cake.
Taking my sweet
Seriously, one of the best funnel cakes I think I may have had.
Really good.
Perfect.
My sweet time. Each time.
All right, we're just finishing up here at the Sweet Potato Festival. If you can't get to the one in East Berlin, Google it. You'll probably find one in your town. It's pretty awesome. We're stuffed. Go home and watch some football.
Realizing that everything I face and set the stage. I know who I am and I don't need to fake it. 'Cause I already made it. Taking my sweet